Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we're unboxing the Seagate BarraCuda fast SSD. Has 540 megabit of transfer speed with 1 terabyte of storage space. And this is a slightly different form factor than the BarraCuda that we saw yesterday. It comes with Adobe Creative Cloud 2-month membership. And here's the drive, and we'll show you all the different size of the drive. It has a heatsink on top that's made out of metal, and you can see the green chamfered edge there, and also the USB Type-C port right there. And then we'll show you all the way around the drive. And this one is definitely lighter than yesterday. This is externally powered, and it comes with 2 separate cables that you can use. So we'll pull these out. That one is a USB-C to USB-A. And then this one up here is a USB-C to USB-C. So you get 2 different cables for the same drive, depending on what your computer uses. But it's pretty small. As you can see, it fits just with the 2 fingers, and it's quite light. And this drive works with Windows and Mac. There you can see the Mac right there. Windows 7, macOS 10.1 and above. And 540 megabit read and 500 megabit write. So this is the BarraCuda Fast SSD from Seagate.